In the diagram, trapezium 𝐴𝐵𝐶𝐷 has been divided into 4 identical trapezia as shown. If the length of AB is 6 centimeters, find the combined length of all the lines shown. So AB is given 6 centimeters, and since these trapeziums are all congruent, so what that means is if I were to cut them out, if I draw this on a piece of paper and cut them all out and put them one on top of another, they would all sit properly, edge for edge, they would match, right? So that would mean that all of this is 6 centimeters. So if I were to name it like PQ is 6, and RS, so all the other sides would match. So therefore you would have PD, AS, BR and QC. They're all equal. Now what about PS, SR and RQ? Now my argument or my logic is that they are equal too. See, the reason is RQ side should correspond to QC. If you are cutting it out and putting one on top of another, as I said, the sides would match. So RQ has to match QC, so they would be equal. Similarly, SP has to match AS or PD, so they would sit one on top of another and they would be equal by symmetry. Okay, so then what we are left with is SR, and once again SR would have to be equal to PS and RQ. Now my drawing is not accurate, okay, so it doesn't look like it's equal, but SR would have to be equal because they are identical. So SR also has to be equal to SP and RQ, right? So how do we work out these sides now? So if I were to extend this line, and if I were to extend this line, so then you see, if I were to name this point as X, now you see XP is equal to AD, and that is equal to XQ, and that is equal to 6. So if I were to have it as A, right, then this would also be A once again, and then A here, and all of these sides are A. Okay, so I can say that 2A is equal to 6, which would give me A is 3. So all of these sides with A will have length 3. Okay, so that means the combined length of all the lines would be, so how many A's are there? We don't include this A. So A 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, so 7 times A plus 3 4 times 6, 7 times 3 plus 24, 21 plus 24, that is equal to 45 centimeter, and that's the answer. So thank you very much for your time. Thank you for viewing, and please subscribe.